So today I want to show you step 8, the last step in beginner's method. In our last 7 videos, I showed you how to do the cross, match these two on these four sides, insert the corners, insert these edges, finish the first part of OL, finish the second part of OL, and how to do the first part of POL. Now I'll show you how to do the last part of POL and solve the cube. Let me just mix it up and I'll show you how to mix up the cube, and I'll put together what we've learned in our last 7 videos. First, making the cross. Then, fixing these pieces. Then, inserting these corners. Then, inserting these edges. Then, doing the first part of OLL. Then, the second part. Then, the first part of POL. And now we have arrived at U-perm. U-perm is one of the probably second most common things you'll get, because most of the T-perms will transition to that. So there's 2 types of U-perm. Well, how I do it is I find the full side, and then I turn it so it's like this. So you're holding it like this, and you pretty much do a full circle. And then I try to find which side is needy. So to the left of the side, I try to find which side is needy. So I'd say green needs the green here, but red doesn't need that blue because red wants this red one here. So green needs this one. So when that happens, you want to turn on this side. So when this side needs it, you want to turn on the far side. When this side needs it, you want to turn here. But to do it, it's pretty much like the moves in the second part of OLL. It's L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L, making A perm. But then you turn the cube. So Y prime, and you fix A perm. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. And that's how you finish the cube. The other way, one second. Is this way? It's the same, just this side is now needy for this green, not this side. This orange doesn't need this red. So it's exact same as last time, just this time it's on this side. And you do it the right first, not the left first. So now you do pretty much the same as last time, just backwards. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, making the A perm, and then turning the cube, Y, and then doing it again just with the L. L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. And that solves the cube. So let me do it again. So this is the move we just did. And again, red's needy, green's not needy. So R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, turning the cube, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L, finishing the cube. And this is the first one we did, where this side is needy of the green, but red's not needy of the blue. So pretty much like the first one, and the other one's just backwards. L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L prime. Turning the cube, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Sometimes you also get this, which is what you call H prime, which is just in U perm, 3 sides are done. In H perm, 4 dots aren't done, and 2 sides are done. So in U perm, you only have to fix 3 dots. In H perm, you have to fix 4 dots. So what you do is exactly the same as U perm, whichever way you like it. R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, coming to the fish, A perm, turning the cube, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L. And this will come to U perm. Which, again, you do this side's needy for this, so L, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime, R, U, prime, R, R prime, U prime, L prime. I'm confused now. Bring this up, U2, L. Sorry, I got mixed up there. And then the last case is same as H perm, just this time it's Z. It's these two have to be changed, and these two, they don't have to be changed across. So it's exact same as H perm. You can do it either way you like, and it'll bring you to U perm. So I'll do it this way this time. L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L, turning the cube, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. Bring U to U perm, another U perm, and again, L prime, U prime, L, U prime, L prime, U2, L, turning the cube, R, U, R prime, U, R, U2, R prime. That is all how to solve the Rubik's Cube beginner's tutorial. I hope you've liked my videos. Please subscribe, and thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave comments if you need any help, or if you want me to show you something new. Thanks for watching.